Welcome to the checkout guide. Today I will show you how to set your store in manual way and using Sidekick. So I will compare doing things manually versus using Sidekick and you can decide which is easier. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, let's try the manual way. So that go to the products, then click on add product. Here I have to add everything from scratch. That is give the titles, description, upload the image, price setting, SEO details all. So for beginners this can be confusing and time consuming. So we can open the Sidekick for easy implementation. We have to ask create a product and give all the title and price etc. Then click on enter. Now it will generate everything. So here we can see it is automatically uploaded a title, description, price and SEO too. So it is the easiest way. So now we can ask to improve the description. Click on enter. Now we can see it will change the description. Okay, now here the description has been changed. So normally you would have to think and write it all by yourself, but Sidekick does it instantly. So here is the difference. A manual way you do everything yourself and it take time. By using Sidekick you just ask and it generate everything instantly. So this is much easier especially for beginners. So we can click on save. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.